All right. So what I want to do here is I want to kind of show you the actual trip on the map of California, so you get perspective of what we just did, what I talked about. So we flew in from Detroit, okay, and we landed in San Diego. We spent day there, or La Jolla. We stayed in La Jolla for the night, and then we drove to L.A. That was day two, and that's we saw L.A., saw my student friend Jeff, and then we went to Carpinteria, who that's just sort of halfway between Santa Barbara and L.A., and stayed the night there. Next day was just basically a drive day, and we drove up the 101 into San Francisco. Uh, Originally thought we would take the 101 turns and all turns into one highway one, but I decided not to do that. It was too cloudy and cold to do that, so I wanted to get inland a little bit, so where it was a little bit warmer and straightforward to get to San Francisco. So we got to San Francisco, and we stayed the next day there, Saturday, all day there, and walked all around, and it was fun, as you heard. And then next day we left, and we basically wanted to get to Bakersfield, which is sort of halfway between San Francisco and Joshua Tree. So we did that, and again, it's kind of an uneventful day, just drive day, just like day three was. All right, and then we woke up and we drove to Joshua Tree, and we spent about 3 or 4 hours there. Okay, then we drove to Temecula. Okay, and spent the night, and then we drove to San Diego, which took us out to Las Vegas and then Detroit. So this whole trip was what we did. So you see, we covered a lot of California in this trip. It would have been nice, like, to get more of stuff over here, Yosemite uh, and Sequoia National Park and the other national parks over here. But maybe someday more, and also Northern California would have been nice to see as well. But maybe I've been up here um, with Arlene, but I've never been over here. Uh, so it's always a possibility to see where